Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering only what matters: net, bait capsule, scanner, and enough oxygen to work comfortably. Once ready, approach a gravity well edge where kelp shadows form. These attract space beans. Cast with a short, controlled flick to set bait at half the local depth range. You want the capsule to hover near the pod center. Make sure to prime your reel speed to 3 so the lure moves naturally. That reduces spooks and increases bites within seconds. Once the scanner pulses faster, you must act decisively. Start by maintaining soft tension so the bean takes the bait. You feel a light tug. When the tug sharpens, give a quick snap to set the hook. This locks the barb into the membrane. After hooking, retract using bursts. 2 seconds pull, 1 second pause, which tires the creature without ripping the line. Make sure to monitor nearby predators and adjust reel resistance to prevent breakage. Tension management is the core of consistent retrieval. You finish by guiding the beans slowly into your holding net. Approach from below to cut off escape routes and avoid sudden jerks that can shear delicate filaments. Once inside, deploy stabilizer drones for heavier or erratic specimens to dampen thrashing. They save your line. If the line begins to fray or vibration spikes, immediately lower overall tension and switch to your backup filament. This prevents total loss. If problems persist, back away. Reorient to calmer waters and reset your bait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.